Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute notifications on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, but that is not only ringtone, that's also the notification volume panel. So just to mute the notifications, we should swipe to the left side this volume panel, but by this way you will mute not only your notifications but also the ringtones. So I suggest you just to go with another way. Just click here to the notification sound, tap to the more, and just switch your currently notification sound just to don't set ringtone. And now when we will go back here, you can see that we have now set the notification sound, and by this way we'll mute our notifications, but we'll stay with our ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.